Listen, I watched you when I was in barber school, Hulk. I was in barber school. He doesn't understand. Right. Can I have my moment?
Yeah.
Can I have my moment? I just want to take a picture.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I just want to take a picture with the goats. Appreciate it.
Shout out 360 G,
And make sure your lineup is straight. Like, if nothing else, make sure your line is.
All right, YouTube, we on the vlog. We on the vlog, YouTube, because Cheesy wanted to take over mine, so I'm taking over his. Hopefully y'all can hear me. You know what I'm saying? He over here talking. Yeah. So we here at the Toronto Barber Expo. It's looking real slight right now. It's real early. But hopefully it builds up soon, all right? Hopefully it builds up soon. I hope I'm not too close to the mic because it's going to be all blurry and stuff. But, yeah, I took over my nephew vlog. I done took it over. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Nephew, how you feeling today?
I'm feeling. Well, why are we doing this? I don't like the style.
I took this whole vlog. How you feeling today?
I don't know. I don't like the style.
How you feeling today, sir?
I'm feeling good.
You feeling good?
I'm feeling good.
Oh, how was your flight?
My flight was long, 4.5 hours. I never knew where Canada was until I got on the plane and looked at the map, and I was like, dang, I thought Canada was just straight up, but it's over there by where you at, Buffalo.
Only an hour.
Yeah, you said we out.
Only an hour. It's only an hour away from you.
Hey, I heard you lied.
I lied. From Buffalo?
Yeah, I heard it was.
Bro, I got here in an hour.
And that's because you smashing in that car. I've been telling you, son, slow down. I've been telling my son to slow down. I've been telling him to slow down.
I don't know what you talking about, man.
360 TV. 360 TV. 360.
Alright, YouTube, look at Jay, man. He's super juiced. Even though he gonna play it off right now, stop smiling and stuff like that. He was super juiced to get this haircut. Here's the wave check. Alright, YouTube, so before you want to start cutting anything, alright, when it comes to wavers, what you want to do is comb the hair out first, lift the hair off of the scalp. That way it's easier for the hair to feed into the teeth of the blades. So next I'm going to focus on cutting it down. I'm using my Stylecraft Metal Instincts, but I have this Andis 4 guard on. The reason why I have this Andis 4 guard on is because I do not have a Stylecraft guard. All right, so what I did was I went into the crowd where they were battling at this hair expo in Toronto. I went into the crowd and asked anybody for a 4 guard. So if you see me switching to the wall 4 guard, that's the reason why, because I had to go. Because look at me, man. I'm holding the back of the clipper, trying to, it feel like I'm in the garage right now. All right, but sometimes you got to make do with what you got, and this is all I had at the time, so. So you see right now, I got the 4 guard on and it fits nice and snug. Shout out to that guy that gave me this 4 guard. I didn't really want him to give it to me. I just wanted to use it, but he was like, hey, Jeezy, nah, you keep it. So trust me, I still got it to this day. It's in my drawer at the job. So again, shout out to that barber that gave me the 4 guard. So after you get it down to the desired length that your client wants, you always want to do a brush session just to lay everything down. That way it puts your client at ease knowing that you know which direction his waves go in. So it's very important as a waver that you know how to brush your client's hair. Next, I'm gonna start on the taper, and I'm only giving him a shadow taper, so I got the 1 guard on with the lever fully closed. And as you can see, I'm using my brush right now, but I'm gonna switch to my comb because using a brush on longer hair just doesn't cut it. All right, so as you can see, I'm laying the hair down with my comb, not trying to go too high because I'm using my comb as basically a way to stop the hair from moving. So I'm just gonna be tapering the sideburns. I'm not really gonna go too high up on the bulk area because as wavers, we want to keep all the waves as close to the shoreline as possible. So right now, I got on my 2 guard just to go on with the grain to knock off some of that bulk. So I'm not going any higher than this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work fading down a little bit more. I slapped on my 0 guard with the lever fully closed, and I'm working at the bottom, just bringing his sideburns down a little lower. So what I'm gonna do is take the lineup areas down a guard size lower. So I have on a 3 guard, and I'm basically just taking down the front line. I'm gonna do that behind the ear. I'm gonna do that at his temple on the other side, just everywhere near the shoreline. That way, you know, when you go to line it, it comes out crispy and you don't get any overhang. So when it comes to the back, you want to memorize these steps as much as possible because this is going to improve your timing. All right, I like to set in my bald line, then I'll take off the bulk using the 1 guard with the lever open. Then I'm just gonna freehand up there at the bulk area because I want to keep as much bulk as possible. I'm gonna soften up that middle line with the 1 guard closed. Then I'm gonna come behind it with the 0 guard closed, take out that middle line totally. Then lastly, in a flick out motion, knock out that bottom line and just kind of smooth out the bulk at the top with the number 2. want to give that finishing touch. All right, this is what makes the haircut look super finished. All right, what you want to do is give your clients a freehand trim. This knocks all the frizzy hairs on top, which makes the hair look super laid. Listen, I flew all the way out to Toronto to do this haircut. Listen, this is my boy Jay, Big WTBD. If you don't see the brushwork, then
God did.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. You see the cut. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, hit that subscribe button. Alright, it's your boy 360 Jeezy. You guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official 360 Jeezy and my Instagram is 360 Jeezy. But it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Yeah. Don't act like you don't see this cut though. I'm just saying. What you looking at right now is a waivers haircut. Now, some of you barbers out there, you want to bring the taper up a little too high. You know what I'm saying? You want to bring it up a little bit. If you would have brought it up a little higher, no. This is how we want it, all right? Let's go.